All right, so this video is going to be for people who don't know how to design at all, but they have a business that they are doing. I just want to copy other people's design and just edit it. Maybe the Canva template is not enough. I just want to use other people's design. You just want to get idea of how you can just break those design into pieces so that you can edit them. Canva just released a tool, and I think it's very valuable for people who don't know how to design at all, but they want to put their business out there. I'm editing the video right now and I'm not comfortable with the reason I just gave you how you can or why you should or ways that you can use magic layer. Okay, one of the best way that you can use it is, let's say you've done a job for a client and the client came back and said, I want to change this part of the design, and you don't have access to the design anymore. You can use the magic layer to break the design into pieces and be able to correct. Or maybe you paid somebody to do a design for you and you want to reuse that design again, but you want to change a part of it, and maybe your contract with the designer is long gone or long past. You can take the design and just use magic layer to break it apart and change the part that you want. This is almost like saying you are becoming your own personal designer. So you can make one design and just reuse it without disturbing your designer. So this is going to be really good for business owners. Okay, so let's jump right back into the tutorial. So it's actually called the magic layer, which is this one. Okay, what this simply means is you saw something on Pinterest, you like it, but you want to customize it for your design. Maybe what you're looking for is not on Pinterest. Cool. Or maybe you saw my design and you just want to break it down into pieces that you can edit and use for your project. Cool. What you can do is to use the magic layer. So what you do is to click on this. Okay, once it opens, it's going to give you all these magic display. So we're going to select our design, and our design, if you've not uploaded your design yet, it's going to give you an opportunity to import that design. Okay, we already have this image imported into our account, so we're going to upload this new design that we're talking about. These are some of the images that I've gotten. Let's start from a simple one. Let's go back. So we're going to customize this one. Yeah, this one here. So I'm just going to import it. So we're going to select this now, and it's going to open. And magic layer is going to do the magic. Okay, it's called magic layer for a reason. So it's going to look at your design. It's going to break every element into separate layers. Okay, the image was one, but it's going to break the text, this logo, the image of Jack Ma, and it's going to break it into pieces that you cannot drag and edit. Maybe change the font or change the text, anything. So just give it some time. It's going to do the magic of the magic layer. Okay. Another thing you just need to notice too is that the magic layer is also here when you import a design into a new document. Okay, it's still here that you can break anything down, but whatever we're having here now is being done automatically because we use the magic layer right from the home page. So it's going to look at the design, it's going to break it down into pieces. But I'm discovering that nothing is happening to this design. Don't know why. Maybe in this case I have to click on this for it to start the process. I'm just going to click on it now. Normally it's supposed to be done automatically. Okay, but I'm clicking on this now, which is the magic layers. Okay, now you can see magic layer has done this thing. So you have this quotes, you have this text, you have this text, you have this one, you have this one, then you have image of Jack Ma. So you can see that now I cannot type this text and just change it to whatever I want. Okay, this is how you can just steal any design and just, you don't have to waste your time. Maybe you want the image of Jack Ma, you don't need to go look for it elsewhere, or you want the image, this logo of founder, you can just use it. Let's go to more complex ones. So let's upload something different. Let's go to a flyer that we can use. I got these ones from Pinterest, so I'm just going to come to, which one am I going to use now? Let's use this one. Okay, let's use this one. I'm just going to click on open. Okay, now I can click on it. Now this one is working automatically. I didn't click on this again before it started working. I guess it was network that made that one not to start immediately. It was uploaded. So let's just wait. It's gonna break the text, it's gonna break the images, it's gonna break the background, it's gonna break the image of this guy, and then you can just change your text. Okay, and that's the beauty of the magic layer. The magic, it's called the magic for a reason. Okay, and now we are here. So now we have our text. You can see our text here. um okay, they say I've hit my AI because this is an AI tool. I can actually get more points, but I don't mind. This is just to give you an example. This is a new account that I created, just to give you an example of my own account, but that's not the point of this tutorial. So you can see that you can actually just remove all this and use this guy for other design. But oh, we have this light leaks here. Then I have the image of this guy. You can see the image of this image. Ah man, so you can just use all these ones now, change the text, and you can now customize, put your phone number and all that, and you are done. Okay, you are done. It's as simple as that. So what you do for me for your assignment, look for a design that you like, use the magic layer to break it down, change one or two things, and post the before and after. Before is when the design was intact, and after, when you've broken it down, change a part of the design. You can add your name, if it's your business name that you want to add, get an inspiration for your business, get an inspiration content, and just change it to something that you like. Okay, and post it in the group, which is before and after. And that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.